friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, special welcome to you. And in this video I am going to show you how to link a new tracking ID in your Amazon Associates account. So once you're inside, click the three lines on the upper right hand side, go down to accounts, and from here you want to click on account settings. Now once you're here, you want to look for the option in the list that says manage your tracking IDs. Click on that, and here you'll find your tracking IDs. Right now I have two of them, but if you want to add a new one, simple click add tracking ID, create the tracking ID, name it whatever you want. So let's say I want to say this is going to be fitness, right? So I'm going to name fitness. You can make up extra numbers. I can say 2025 as an example. If this is going to be available, it's going to allow me to choose it. So I'm going to click on create, and here you will see that it doesn't allow me to create that specific one, but I need to add something more to it. So if you find something here that you like, you can just select the one and just click use, or just continue to make something. So let's say I want to say ABC and I don't want any of those. I click create, and you can see that it accepted that one. And all I have to do now is click on close, and you can see that my new tracking ID has been created. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.